नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। My name is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena. I am Associate Professor in subject Mathematics and Statistics in the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Mechanism of the Trapezoidal Rule. So this module is a part of the course Modeling and the Simulation of Bioprocess and in the program of BTech FBT 9th trimester and BSc FST 9th trimester under the Faculty of Agricultural and Veterinary Science. So first we have to understand here what is trapezoidal rule. The trapezoidal method is based on the principle that the area under the curve which is to be calculated is divided into number of small segments. The bounding curve in the segment is considered to be a straight line. As a result, the small enclosed area becomes a trapezium. The area of each small trapezium is calculated and summed up, that is integrated. So that is the concept, that is the mechanism of the trapezoidal rule. All we know that here the trapezoidal rule is a very important technique and it is helpful here to find a definite integral or to find the area beneath a curve, and actually just the area beneath a curve is divided into small segments and each segment can be taken as a trapezium, and just we have to find the area of each small trapezium, and after adding all these areas here the total area can be calculated, and this is the concept of the trapezoidal rule, and it is helpful to find a definite integral. So let us consider a function fx representing a curve as shown in the figure. You are to find out the area under the curve from point A to B. In order to do so, divide the distance between A and B into a number of vertical strips whose width are h, so that each strip can be considered as a trapezium. So the figure is shown in the here, and according to this figure here we can see the first limit, the lower limit is here x0 and the upper limit is here taken as xn. Xn can be also be called here x0 plus nh, and the whole area is divided here into the small n segments into n intervals here, and the width of each interval is here is h. Here we have taken constant width here h, and now this the area is beneath under a curve. So the trapezoidal formula gives the area of this region, and by an integral formula. So the formula is given by here, the integration from limit x0 to xn fx dx is equal to 1/2 into h and y0 plus yn. Y means here the function. The function fx is also called y. So y0 plus yn, the first and the last limit, the values of function, plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus yn minus 1. Now actually just this we are going to derive a formula here, and for this here we have to use here n equal to 1 in the quadrature formula. So putting n equal to 1 in the quadrature formula, the data consists of only two values x0 comma y0 and x1 comma y1, so that differences of high order can be neglected or becomes 0. So according to this here, when we put n is equal to 1, then the integral formula becomes here x0 to xn. Xn means x0 plus nh fx dx is equal to h multiplied by 0 to 1 integration, and then y naught plus u into del y naught into du. So in this is coming here by putting n equal to 1 in the quadrature formula and neglecting the high all the terms because they will become 0. So this is equal to h into u y naught plus u square upon 2 del y naught under the limit 0 to 1. And now when we solve this here, means mathematical calculations are there. So h into y naught plus half into del y naught, which is equal to h into y naught plus 1 upon 2 del means here this is a forward operator, y1 minus y naught after simplification. So this will be equal to x naught to x1 here, because we are taking n is equal to 1. So x naught to x1 is given by here x naught to x1 fx dx is given by h upon 2 y naught plus y1. In the similar way we can calculate here for n equal to 2 means x1 to x2 fx dx, and which is coming here h upon 2 y1 plus y2, and the last that is here this is here simply x naught plus n minus 1 multiplied by h to x naught plus nh, and this fx dx is equal to h upon 2 and yn minus 1 plus yn. So it means here we have calculated the integrals in all the regions, in all the segments here, and all adding all these terms. So finally we will get the total integral from x naught to x naught plus nh fx dx is equal to h upon 2 y naught plus yn plus 2 multiplied by y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus till yn minus 1, and this formula is known as the trapezoidal formula, and this is a very important formula to calculate the area between the two limits under a curve. So this session is powered by the digital version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts, your problems. Thank you.